Good morning. Good Taste Restaurant. I'm Marx Valdez. How may I help you?
I would like to make a table reservation.
May I know who is on the line, please?
Yes, I am Miss Pinulyar.
Miss Irene, should I make this table reservation in your name?
Yes.
When do you want to make the reservation?
Tonight, please.
For how many people?
For one person, please.
At what time, Miss Irene?
8 p.m., please.
May I have your contact number, please?
Yes, of course. 0911-234-5604.
Thank you, ma'am. Would you like smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking, please.
May I repeat your table booking?
Yes, please.
You are having a table reservation at 8 p.m. for one person in the non-smoking area. Under your name, Ma'am Irene, your contact number is 0911-234-5604. Is that right, ma'am?
Yes, that's right.
Good evening, ma'am. Welcome to Good Taste Restaurant. Do you have any reservation?
Yes, I have reservation under my name.
Okay, ma'am. Let me check our list table of reservation. Thank you for waiting, Miss Irene. This way, ma'am. Please have a seat. Excuse me, ma'am. May I unfold the napkin for you?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you want ice cold of water?
Yes, please.
Alright, ma'am. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Marx Valdez, your food server for today. It will be my pleasure to serve you.
It's nice to meet you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you want hot sopol?
No, thank you.
Here is the list menu for your selection. I will take your order when you are ready. Excuse me for a moment.
Sure, thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like me to recommend you some dishes?
Yes, what are the best selling or selection here?
For our best selection in appetizer, we have bird carpaccio. It is thin slices of raw beef, tenderloin, part marinated in extra virgin olive oil, garlic, salt and pepper, anchovy topped with parmesan shavings and basil leaves. For our soup, it is roasted brown head salted in butter, garlic, chopped shallots, tomato, concassy with herbs, seafood, stock white wine, salt and pepper, finish with cream. Salt, pepper, finish with cream. For our salad, we have Greek and salad. It's feta cheese, cucumber, tomato, olive, and peppers, olive oil, lemon, and anchovy. And for meat, creative combination and classic favorites, we have pork, tenderloin, and porcini, mushroom sauce, celery, mashed potato.
Yes, I will try it on.
I repeat your order: beef carpaccio for appetizer, chicken and mushroom soup for soup, Greek salad and pork tenderloin for meat, creative combination, and classic favorites. Is that alright, sir?
Yes, that's right.
Let me know, sir, if you have any food allergies.
No, I don't have.
Okay, ma'am. I will prepare your meal. Excuse me for a moment. Excuse me, ma'am. Here are chicken and mushroom soup. This is Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done?
Yes.
May I clean your plate?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here are Greek salad. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done?
Yes.
May I clean your plate?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here are the big carpaccio for your appetizer. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done?
Yes.
May I clean your plate?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here are the meat creative combination and classic favorite pork tenderloin. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done?
Yes.
May I clean your plate?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. I allowed crumbling your table.
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, I would like to pay my bill.
Okay, ma'am. Please wait for a moment. I will get the bill. Here is your bill, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am Irene. I received 1,000 pesos. How your dining experience?
I was satisfied. Thank you for serving.
Thank you. May I pleasure to serve you. Thank you for dining here at Good Taste Restaurant.